When you have thin hair and you are looking for the perfect hairstyle and you're not sure which one to choose or what to go with, I got you, ladies. Today I am bringing you a beautiful style. Even though you have thin hair, this is going to be the perfect style for you. I am going to show you my step-by-step process on how to achieve this amazing style. You first always want to start off with a nice, healthy braid pattern. The braid pattern you choose needs to be healthy for your hair as well as for the style that you are going to be getting. And that's exactly what I'm doing here. I am giving her a braid pattern that's healthy for her hair. Her edges in the top of her head is thin, so I braided her edges going down, and then here at the top in the front I did single braids because I want to make sure that I'm not pulling her hair from the very top or the very front of her hair back. After that, I installed this stretchy net. Yes, ladies, this is the stretchy net that is infused with olive oil, and olive oil is a very essential oil in promoting hair growth. It also has some shea butter, and it is the most healthiest stretchy net that you can use with your hair that will provide the ultimate protection. Ladies, when we are wearing these protective styles, we need to also make sure that we are protecting our natural hair. And that's what I did here. I installed this stretchy net. I covered all of her natural hair with it to make sure that her natural hair is protected. Now I am going in and starting this sew down for her. Yes, this is going to be a full sew in with no leave out, using my custom closure. Yes, ladies, my custom closure. You do not need any glue. Yes, it is my custom made closure, handmade by myself, only sold on my website, not sold in stores or online, only through my website. It is very beneficial with those who have thin hair, short hair, who have alopecia or hair loss, or who have healthy hair and just looking to give their natural hair a break. I am sewing her wefts or her tracks in a U shape, starting at the neck or the nape of her hair. As you can see here, she is going to be able to pull this up into a natural looking ponytail where none of the tracks or the wefts are being shown. So I'm going to go in a U shape all the way around until I get to the top. So as you can see here, now I've started at her edges and I'm going all the way around to the other side. Now with my custom closure, you don't have to worry about pulling on your edges because it has a band on there and you are sewing on the band and not your edges. Yes, ladies, this is the ultimate in saving your edges. So I'm going to speed this up a little bit and I'm going to continue sewing in that U shape, and this style is almost complete. It is absolutely gorgeous. Look how this came out. No one will ever know that she had any thin hair, any hair loss anywhere. If you have not tried this method, try this method and leave me some comments in the comment section below and let me know how you like it. Thanks for watching.